So Lerato takes out a bank loan and he repays the loan by means of quarterly payments of 2,000, starting 3 months' time, which makes sense. We said if it's a quarterly payment, you should start in 3 months' time. And then the interest is 18% per annum compounded quarterly. And then they say which the duration of the loan is 10 years. Calculate the amount borrowed. Now, how do we calculate the amount borrowed? We said we're going to be talking about present value. Using the present value formula, we're going to say PV is going to be given as X 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of minus N, close bracket, all over 1, all over I. And then we can tell them which we have X, which is 2,000. We have I, which is 0.18 divided by 4. Where do I get divided by 4 quarterly? And then we have N, which is going to be equaling to 10 years. They say for a duration of 10 years. So it's 10 multiplied by 4, which is going to give us what? 40. There's nothing special here. Question like this one, 3 marks, 2 marks. So we're going to have 2,000. Open bracket, we have 1 minus 1 plus 0.18 divided by 4 to the power of minus 14. Close bigger bracket, all over 0.18 divided by 4. And then how much did she borrow? How much did Lerato borrow? It's 36803, like this. 0.17, like this. Yeah, so for something like this, they will give us 1, 2. That is why I'm saying it's 1. At most, it can be 3 marks. Now, here's what we're interested in. All in all, how many payments are we going to make? All in all, how many payments are we going to make? Remember, N is the number of payments. All in all, how many payments are we supposed to make? We're supposed to make 14. And then here's what they're saying. If we were to put this on a timeline, we have T0, whereby we are owing 36,803. And then we are supposed to go up until we go to T40. Now, because we're supposed to go up until T40, look at number B. Which one are they saying? With number B, they say to Elena, calculate the outstanding balance after you made the 30th payment. Just after the 30th payment, we want you to tell us what is going to be still outstanding. How do you get the outstanding balance? Now, outstanding balance, we calculate it this way, do you know? We say we have T30 here, and then we say we have paid 30 times. This is what we have paid already, 30 times. All in all, how many times are we supposed to pay? We're supposed to pay how many times? 40. How many months are still outstanding for us to pay? 10. It's 10. For number B, we're going to tell them this. So for number B, we're going to say everything is still exactly the same, except N. N is going to be equaling to 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30 is the number of payments still outstanding, which is going to be what? To be 10. And then we use our present value formula, which says PV is going to be 2,000. We have 1 minus 1 plus 0.18 divided by 4. And then here we have, instead of 40, what do we have here? We have minus 10 all over 0.18 divided by what? By 4. Yeah, for this one, again, you will get 1 for the N, 1 for substituting in the correct formula. And then we get our final answer. What is going to be our final answer? It's 15,820.44. Now, how much did we borrow? We borrowed 36,000. And then the money that we still owe here is what? Is 15,000. We'll talk about that to say there's a money which went to the interest, and another amount which went to the loan. We'll speak into that. Now, why is the outstanding balance important?